At Selkirk Tangiers, we operate both the Bell 205 and A-Star helicopters. Your briefing will cover the specifics of the helicopter designated to your group. Your pilot will explain the dangers of the main rotor and the tail rotor. He will demonstrate how to walk safely around the front of the helicopter. Proper handling of skis, poles, snowboards, and packs around the helicopter will also be explained. Your pilot will demonstrate proper technique for opening and closing the door and how to enter and exit the helicopter safely. You will be explained all of the emergency procedures, the location of emergency exits, fire extinguishers, first aid kit, and emergency locator transmitter. Your pilot and guide will also discuss how to form a safe heli huddle outside of the helicopter during takeoff and landings. They will also discuss a variety of landing scenarios. Uphill slopes, cornices, and steep drop-offs are all common hazards during takeoff and landings. Remember to always approach the helicopter slowly and in control, and to always stop where the guide stops, outside of the rotor disc area.